Cinder Pool, located in the southwest section of 100 Spring Plain in the Norris Geyser Basin in Yellowstone National Park. The pool is known for its ash, made of sulfur, that condenses after rising from a molten layer at the bottom of the pool, but as of 2019, the condensate has disappeared. Also found at 100 Spring Plain is the Reservoir, a large, steady hot spring that was once used as a pool by park employees decades ago when an earlier road network made the feature more accessible. There's even a diving board. Swimming in hydrothermal features is dangerous due to the boiling temperatures and high concentrations of dissolved heavy metals in the water, so the practice has been banned. But the reservoir remains as one of the largest hot springs in the Norris Geyser Basin. "100 Spring Plain is often flooded, making travel hazardous for most of the year, as one cannot tell where the shallow pools end and the deep boiling thermal features begin, and its name is not without reason. There are numerous thermal features scattered throughout 100 Spring Plain. Other features on 100 Spring Plain with remarkable chemistry include Reservoir Spring, so named in 1889–91 by Arnold Haig for the arsenic sulfide that precipitates out of the pools. A little further southwest of 100 Spring Plain is the Gap, a strip of low-lying thermal features on the western side of Ragged Hills. This sub-basin, along with Ragged Hills, was very active during 1995 to 2000 and has fluctuated dramatically in temperature and thermal activity over time. One of the largest hydrothermal vents in the Norris Geyser Basin is located on the southwestern edge of the Gap. Hydrothermal eruptions are caused by sudden flashes of liquid water to steam, which ruptures rock and throws water, steam, rock, and mud into the air. The recent eruption of Black Diamond Pool in Biscuit Basin, the 1989 explosion of Pork Chop Geyser in the Back Norris sub-basin, and a small explosion in the Porcelain sub-basin in April 2024 are examples of recent hydrothermal eruptions. The explosion crater at the Gap has been around since at least 1954 and is surrounded by highly altered debris breccia. There's never a dull moment in the dynamic Norris Geyser Basin, whether it's the world's tallest geyser erupting, the changing temperature and appearance of hot springs, or the hydrothermal eruptions that dramatically change the landscape. But remember to only appreciate these features from the existing boardwalks and trails. All current work on the features at 100 Spring Plain and the Gap has been done by trained personnel with proper safety equipment under approved research permits to document and study these extraordinary features.